Hallo alle, ich bin hier Varsche. Willkommen zurück auf dem YouTube-Kanal von Trueway International.
Did you understand anything? If not, we are here to make you understand. Can you guess which language is this? Those who understand the language are please requested to comment the language in the comment box. Basically, this is the German language. Today's video is useful for everyone who wants to migrate to Germany. We have started German coaching under our own academy, Trueway Academy. You can avail offline and online classes here. Exciting, isn't it? Do you want to know more about it in detail? Let's start. Class mode, online and offline. Free trial session for 3 days. Personalized coach throughout the course. Small batches. Flexible timing for students both in India and Europe. Daily 1 to 2 hours of class. Systematic and time-bound syllabus completion. Regular practice test. 100% success guaranteed program GITE based, not ECL or ST. Classes only up to B1 level. The classes will be provided on A1, A2 and B1 level. And if you're completely satisfied our free trial session, then only you need to join our main batch. Now let's see the language course plan. Level A1. 25 plus days of basics, pronunciation and grammar. 10 plus days of exam preparation. Total duration 35 to 40 days. Level A2. 25 plus days of grammar. 10 plus days of exam preparation. Total duration 35 to 40 days. Level B1. 30 plus days of grammar. 15 plus days of exam preparation. Total duration 45 to 60 days. So, contact our customer care number to know more about the details and to join Trueway's German language coaching. To know more about admission and fee structure, kindly contact us. As we provide classes in small batch, you will get all the individual attention you need. 2023 admission is going on. Kindly book your seats as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Varsha saying sign off. Bye.